Hi there. The name is Boom, Kaboom. I'm a one-piece chair designed by Roderick Voss for Fatboy, and I'm crafted only 30 minutes away from the Fatboy headquarters. To create me, the Kaboom crew first needs to measure the raw material they need. With this raw material, they fill up the mold, right up to the last gram. Then it's time to heat things up. And boy, does it get hot! Inside the oven, I keep on spinning. This is my exercise. It makes me super strong and durable. After that, I chill down in here, to amp up my coolness. And then we get to the best part. It's real teamwork to remove me from my mold. Look how concentrated they are. Here I am. But I'm not perfect yet. Time for some beauty treatments at the Kaboom Spa. The Kaboom crew carefully cuts away burrs. They also burn away tiny scratches. Yes, this fella is grooming me to perfection. Creating me takes time, teamwork, and a steady hand. But trust me, your derrière will thank you. Fatboy. Design with a smile.